Omugambizi w'amahega Uganda People's Defence Force Brigadier General Felix Klaije arabwire emyeto mu district ya Bushenyi okwehara akakungu n'okushisha ebintu by'amashomero kureka ngu bate omutima aha by'okushoma kwabo.
You are the strength of our country. But you can only be a strength of our country if you do the right things in your life.
The parents abazire bacha bujimbi mwebale mnonga okusupportinga abana banyu mukaba reba ngo babasa kushoma ahabwo kubo bwegese nibwo burize kutuyamba kurugo mu mbereje yiturumu tukazo mu mbera enungi.
Headmaster wa Kyabujimbi Secondary School Alex Musingzi asimire government ahawe okutandika enteekateeka y'okushomesa abeegi okukunda ihanga lyabo.
I want to thank His Excellency once again for this wonderful program of patriotism, for the training that has been here. I do believe that these students have benefited a lot.
We want to change the ideology not on kind of infants. Yoni nyarangu mutande chireje kanya ndakusima headmaster nyarangu kunugwamu kubanza kutunga abana nkaba bakatunga bakaba training government.
Some of the values of patriotism include fearing of God, loyalty to Uganda, love of self, family, and the whole of Uganda, cherish hard work, seek Pan-Africanism, East African integration, and non-sectarianism.
Uganda birebe ntugamba munonga aha kintu kya corruption obushomankuzi. Kunogira ngo twine bashomankuzi ejirabu eturiyo turira aha Kyabujimbi SS ekabirero.
Omugandi abeegi ahari Mwengura Secondary School mu Bushenyi bashabirwe kugira rukundo y'ihanga lyabo kibahwera okumaraho emize eriyo negaruza ihanga enyuma. Abeegi 261 nibo bamazire emishomo y'okukunda ihanga lyabo aha ishomero eri.
After this training, yes, Mwengura, you've been disciplined, but now we expect things to be much better. And then the first point he raised, the first vice, which is corruption.
For sure, we are proud of you. The patriotic hearts and spirits your children hold.
Of you who could have listened to these runners, especially those who were on the table when I entered, you could quickly see why the need is there.
We need infrastructure in form of classrooms, laboratories, administration block, a library, accommodation for staff, and more staff on government payroll.
Training inokwegumene instilinga emicho mubana aba bakuba atingeze domestic violence student batino mucharo makagitu ntegateka ngo obe training eyo bakozere inokwera kwija kutiyamba abana bitu bakakora barije bine michomo.
This is big a number, and when they talk about 15 to 30, they are literally talking about us, the young people seated here today. You can only avoid to be part of this number if you love yourself enough and attach value to yourself.
Okushomesa abeegi oku kumazire esaaha 2 yonka. Gasha kwa Abraham Muganzi na Ben Muhozi.